Hey everybody, Joe Judge from Unilock. What I have in front of me right here is our Bristol Valley paver, and the reason I have this in front of us is because I want to show off the EasyClean technology on these pavers. This is a sealed paver, and the great thing about that is it's stain resistant. 2 points I want to make. First is to the contractors out there. Contractors, we always like to keep and maintain a nice clean environment while we're working. Well, that's what this EasyClean can help you out with. The cutting, when you leave a little dust on there, it cleans right off, as well as the poly sand. The poly sand, if you leave it on there, it cleans right off as well. Homeowners, the great thing about for you that EasyClean is going to help you out with is to reduce the staining of your pavers. Especially when you get a brand new patio in, you're going to have the problems with your friends coming over and maybe somebody dropped some mustard onto that paver. Well, somebody did that. Maybe somebody likes the hamburgers and they like the ketchup on there and they squeezed out a little bit too much and that got on your pavers. Or worse yet, you dropped in a brand new driveway and your car's got a small little oil leak to it. Well, you don't want that either. So I'm gonna put a little oil on there. So now what we're gonna do here, everybody, is we're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna clean this all right off, and you're gonna see that this material here, the mustard, the ketchup, the oil, will not stain this paver. All right, everybody, well, we're back. We have the mustard, the ketchup, the oil kind of sitting on this paver here for about 15 minutes or so, to kind of give you an idea of just a little bit of time to allow this to kind of sit in to see if it really does affect the sealer. All we need to do is just pull up some wet wipes. That's how we clean this stuff off with. So let's start with the ketchup. All right, doesn't look like anything set there. Let's see what the mustard did. Well, there's the mustard up, and we got the oil left. All right, everybody, so the mustard, the ketchup, the oil, all came up off that paver. No stain. That's the importance of the EasyClean technology by Unilock here. We have a lot of different pavers out there. So guys, get over to your local Unilock dealer. Check out the EasyClean pavers. There is something to fit your style for your outdoor living environment.